So when you have something like 25 to the power 1 over 2, now this same is same thing as, according to the rule, root of 25. Okay, so root of 25 give us what? 5. When you have something like, let's say 64 to the power 1 over 3, so this is something as cube roots of 64, which give us what? 4. Because when you have 4 times 4 times 4, we get back to 64. By 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4 will give you 64. When you have something like 81 to the power 1 over 4, this is something as 4th root of 81. And 4th root of 81 will give us what? 3. The same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 27. 27 times 3, we will get 81. So it's as simple as that. Okay, that's for fractional powers. If you have something like this, let's say 64 to the power 5 over 6. Let me write 5 way. 64 to the power 5 over 6. So this is 6. And you're asked to simplify this. Okay, now 64 to the power 5 over 6. Firstly, you are going to get the 6th root of 64. So this is going to give us 6th root of 64. This is how you express it. So once you get it, you raise it to the value of the numerator here. This is the numerator, and this is the denominator. Okay, if you get the 6th root of 64 here, the 6th root of 64 here will give us 2. Because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 give us 64. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 6 times 2, 32, 32 times 2, 64. Now that we have the 6th root of 64 to be 2, so we now have 2 to the power 5. Now 2 to the power 5, something as what? 32. That will be the answer to this question. Basically, when you have this kind of problem, all you simply have to do is to have a fraction as the power. The denominator, you find the roots of that denominator, and the numerator values. If the numerator is not 1, after getting it, you then multiply it, you then raise it to the power of the numerator of that fraction. So that's how you can deal or solve this kind of problem.